All right, so I was sent this LightView Pro XL. This is a magnifying glass, well, lamp with a little glass thing on it. It's right there. It's by Bright and they were kind enough to send it to me to check it out, review it, and put it on YouTube. So here it is. All right, so basically what this is for is, I guess you could use it for a lot of different things. You know, whether it's sculpting, drawing, painting miniatures. It's bigger than I thought. Now, these are instructions, and since I'm me, I don't read those, so I'm going to put those away. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, alright. And here's the clamp. This goes onto the table. This camera is not attached to the drafting table, because when I draw, I shake the table too much and the camera goes wild, so it's on a separate thing. But this should be fine because it's a lamp. Alright, put it over here. So it can swivel. Alright, so I guess one thing is since it's at an angle, since my table is at an angle, it's gonna do that. Okay. That's bright. Ew. That's kind of cool. Okay. Not bad. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick voiceover over the drawing part. I was using the magnifying glass to kind of just zoom in and sketch and see how that goes. And it was actually pretty surprising. You know, I was surprised with it because at first I really didn't see the point of trying to use a magnifying glass because I wasn't really painting or sculpting anything that really needed close inspection or careful, you know, very minute actions. But after drawing for a while, zoomed in on the page, it was actually kind of nice. Because as a result of being zoomed in and kind of seeing a sort of isolated part of the drawing, I found myself drawing differently, and I guess more carefully, you know, because before there were parts of my drawings that I didn't really detect, but they would be kind of stray marks or I guess looseness which I like, but at the same time things that I wouldn't even notice. So this was kind of cool because I would see little portions that I could edit and change and kind of render and shade things very carefully. I guess that's something it helped me with. Because later on when I finish drawing, you'll see at the end of the time-lapse portion of this video, when I moved the magnifying glass out of the way, the drawings actually looked much smaller than I expected, which is pretty cool because in that sense you can sort of fill up more real estate of the page with artwork, sort of like you're carving in little etchings of art by zooming in. So yeah, it's like pretty good for zoning onto a portion to really get in there and refine things, details, polishing. My one concern so far, I've only had this for a few days, is that sometimes you have to hold it in place. And it might be just because my drafting table is at an angle itself. And so gravity is going to pull it down a bit. So another cool thing about the lamp / magnifying glass is that you can change the brightness level. Now, if you have a lot of eye strain when looking at a screen or things like that, using this, you can lower the light or increase it depending on how it feels for you. Which I do want to mention sort of as a related note. I did recently start trying these glasses that reduce the amount of blue light that goes through that you see from your screen. And of course, I'm skeptical at first because I don't know how much of a difference could that possibly make. And about a week in using these glasses, I don't feel as much eye strain. So Normally at the end of the day, my eyes feel like I have to blink and just hold that blink for a long time, or I guess that would be sleeping. Well, you know what I mean, but like still like that kind of like, you know, I don't know, maybe you know what I mean, but I don't have that anymore by using these glasses. So anyway, sort of on a somewhat related note. But yeah, overall, cool magnifying glass / lamp / arm thing. I like the swivel. I have other things that I use a swivel for example, the microphone, the camera that's actually recording the sketching. And it's great to just be able to swivel it and put it into different places. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say. The link of the product is in the description if you are interested in checking it out. And if so, go ahead and check that out. All right, cool. Well, hope that was fun to watch, and I'll see you later.